Set Matplotlib colorbar size to match graph. I cannot get the colorbar on ImShow graphs like this one to be the same height as the graph, short of using Photoshop after the fact.
You can do this easily with a Matplotlib axis divider. The example from the linked page also works without using subplots.
This combination, and values near to these, seems to magically work for me to keep the color bar scaled to the plot, no matter what size the display. It also does not require sharing the axis, which can get the plot out of square.
I appreciate all the answers above. However, like some answers and comments pointed out, the axis_grid1 module cannot address geoaxes, whereas adjusting fraction, pad, shrink, and other similar parameters cannot necessarily give the very precise order, which really bothers me. I believe that giving the color bar its own axis might be a better solution to address all the issues that have been mentioned. Code. Result. Later on, I find matplotlib.pyplot.colorbar official documentation also gives ax option, which are existing axes that will provide room for the color bar. Therefore, it is useful for multiple subplots. See following. Code. Result. Again, you can also achieve similar effects by specifying cax, a more accurate way from my perspective. Code. Result.
Bogatron already gave the answer suggested by the Matplotlib docs, which produces the right height, but it introduces a different problem. Now the width of the color bar, as well as the space between color bar and plot, changes with the width of the plot. In other words, the aspect ratio of the color bar is not fixed anymore. To get both the right height and a given aspect ratio, you have to dig a bit deeper into the mysterious axis_grid1 module. Note that this specifies the width of the color bar WRT, the height of the plot, in contrast to the width of the figure, as it was before. The spacing between color bar and plot can now be specified as a fraction of the width of the color bar, which is a much more meaningful number than a fraction of the figure width. Update. I created an IPython notebook on the topic, where I packed the above code into an easily reusable function. It can be used like this.
If you want to see more, please consider subscribing.